Welcome to Fly Vision. I'm going to show you how to tie the Claret Killah. Just wrap your thread back, starting at the eyes. Wrap it right on back to the hook barb. And I'll break our tag off. Now we're going to use pheasant tail. Measured it the length of the shank. Now tie it right in on top. Ensure it's staying good. Now I'm going to just throw down some thread here because I'm going to bring it back. And we're going to do a loop, thread loop. Or dubbin loop, whichever you prefer to say. Now we're going to put our pheasant in the dubbing loop and we're going to spin it. It's going to make a nice segmented body. And it's going to be super strong. And it's going to have that claret thread showing all in that pheasant tail. And it just drives the fish nuts. But just wrap that around, touch and turns. I'm going to rotate it here with my vise because it is short fibers. You can use hackle pliers if you don't have a rotary feature on your vise. And I'm just going to catch it in. I'm just going to wrap and tie it off. I'm going to snip the butts. Now we're going to dub the thorax using some Euro dubbing. It's just hare's ear with some UV flash in it. So you can dub that on, wrap it on. You want a bit of a bulbousy thorax here. Man, don't worry about tying it in super tight because we want it to be extra buggy. Now we're going to get the dark partridge. I trimmed the tip down and now I'm going to just tie it in. Look, sure it's nice and secure. Now we're going to wrap it. Always fold your fibers back while your wet flies. It really helps to set the fibers correctly. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I'm just gonna catch it in. Just gonna tie it in and bring everybody back. Form a nice head on it. I'll break the tip, butt off. I'm just going to go right in my whip finish. I like doing a hand whip. I've always done a hand whip. I don't like those whip finish tools. Let's snip my thread. And there you have the Claret Killah. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I fish this fly quite often. It works great for me.